What we're going to do is we're going to show you how to use polyester resin, another glue, for repairing a crack and for fixing the seam. This is polyester resin, and you mix 3% hardener with it, and we're just going to glue this around and mix it up. Once we got it mixed, we'll have roughly 4 or 5 minutes to apply it. So I'm not mixing very much because in 10 minutes this will be like rubber. Okay, now that I've got it mixed, I'm going to take out a razor blade. First I'm going to fill this hole. It'll be like it never existed. And then I'm going to start in the back and just work forward with this. Cleanup with this is just alcohol. I'm just getting any excess off. And that's that. Now I'll let it dry, and I'll hit it with some steel wool, which will buff it out. And that's all there is to it.